This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni BT36 is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, leveling jacks, TV, air conditioning, self-contained, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, external shower, refrigerator, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Omni BT36 is built on a Ford F600 chassis and is powered by a Powerstroke engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.